transforming the way we plant and harvest them. Get ready for AI-powered tractors and harvesters. These bad boys can drive themselves, plant seeds with pinpoint accuracy, and even identify and pick ripe fruits and vegetables without any human intervention. It's like having a whole team of farmhands that never get tired or complain about long hours. This is a game changer, especially for farmers who are struggling to find enough labor. With AI, they can get more work done in less time, with fewer resources. Section 5. More food, less waste. AI is a sustainability superhero. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this all sounds great, but what about the environment? Well, here's the good news. AI isn't just good for farmers, it's good for the planet too. By helping farmers use resources more efficiently, AI is reducing waste and minimizing the environmental impact of agriculture. Less water wasted, less fertilizer runoff, fewer greenhouse gas emissions. It's a win-win for everyone. Plus, by increasing crop yields, AI is helping us produce more food on less land, which means we can protect more forests and natural habitats. So, AI isn't just feeding the world, it's helping to save it too. Section 6. The future is growing. AI's potential in agriculture. We've only scratched the surface of what AI can do for agriculture. In the future, we can expect to see even more amazing innovations, like AI-powered robots that can identify and remove weeds, AI systems that can predict and prevent crop diseases, and even AI-driven vertical farms that can grow food in urban areas. The possibilities are endless. As AI technology continues to evolve, so too will its potential to revolutionize agriculture and create a more sustainable and abundant food future for everyone. Section 7. Join the AI revolution. Let's build a better food future. So there you have it, folks. AI is transforming agriculture in amazing ways, making it more efficient, sustainable, and productive than ever before. This isn't just a technological revolution, it's a food revolution. And the best part is, we're all part of it. By supporting sustainable farming practices and embracing the potential of AI, we can all help create a better food future for ourselves and generations to come. So let's get farming, people. The future is now, and it's delicious.